Official Tactical Kit welcomes you to the most badass collection of curated survival and tactical content in the world. Every single piece of information you need to survive was personally curated by our U.S. military trained veterans. They have decades of experience all across this great nation of ours. Their years of brutal military training made them tough as shit, and they know what info you really need and what's just a waste of your time. Using their military training as well as direct personal experience in the field, they bring you only the very best the web has to offer. Don't count on Google to give you the information you need in survival situations or how to prepare for the worst at home. Instead, trust Official Tactical Kit's badass vets to provide you with everything you need to not only survive, but to thrive in any situation. Get started today, before it's too late. P.S. Our vets also created a testing center where you can put your knowledge to the test and find out if you'll live or die in all sorts of survival situations.